unexpected day of caching, at least for a little while. Back at Santee State Park, Limestone Trail. Editing note to put the screenshot of the map up here. Heading to the first one. Some muggles around, that's okay. Let's go. So this started out as an event called the First Day Hike. A lot of the South Carolina state parks are doing it on New Year's Day. People gather, hike one of the trails with a ranger, get a souvenir sticker. How's it going?
Oh, it's going great.
Even with your near slip and fall going up the hill? It's all right, I got you.
Did you get it on video?
No. Start the year off right, and it's a pretty good day. A little warm for the shirt I'm wearing, but whatever. I think there's, I didn't even count, maybe a dozen or so caches on this trail. This is a 1 mile limestone trail loop. I'll see how many I can get today. Oh, damn. I hate it when that happens. I know I did it yesterday too, or the other day on the big bike loop. I forgot to show I found the cache. Well, I found this one just a minute ago. Helped them, some other people coming through. Let them borrow my pen. Now I'm trying to move on to the next one. I have to remember to get video of every one I find. Although, I'm not sure where this one is. I'm not sure if this is good or bad. Sometimes I can just see them from here. There it is. Boom. Number 2. There's just something that's just, to me, fundamentally awesome about caching in a state park. You don't get bothered by the muggles. The muggles aren't out here. Or if they are, they're either just walking by and just wondering what the hell you're doing rather than telling you to get the hell off their property. Or they're caching themselves. Like a little while ago, I just helped a kid coming through with his family. Found the cache that I had found it right at that point and didn't have a pen. Loaned him my pen. Community really kind of comes together out here, I think. And I mean, just sometimes you just stop and look around, and it's just amazing. What is that I see out there? Let's see. What is it? What is it? What is it? Looks like number 3 for the day. Look at that. Number 3 has a little swag in it. Princess. So this one was not hidden in the same fashion as the rest. Off the trail. Boom. Number 4 for 2023. Oh yeah. Cell signal is way off on this one. I think that's gonna do it for the Limestone Trail. Just 5. I don't know why I thought there was a dozen. I think somewhere across the street on the Sinkhole Trail, but anyway. Oh look, my ride is here. We'll see you next time.